In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom code to your website using Wix Studio. Whether you're looking to embed a widget, add some custom HTML, or implement advanced JavaScript functionality, Wix Studio makes it possible to enhance your site with just a few simple steps. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the knowledge to seamlessly integrate custom code into your website, giving you greater flexibility and control over its functionality and design. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Wix Studio platform. If you're not already logged into your account, you'll need to log in to continue. Simply click on the Login button, which you'll find on the home page. From there, select your preferred login method, whether it's using your email and password, logging in through Google, or another option. Once you've entered your credentials, you'll be directed to your Wix Studio account. After logging in, you'll land on the main dashboard of the Wix Studio editor. This is where all the magic happens. Take a moment to orient yourself within this interface if you're new to it. Once you're ready, locate the plus icon in the menu or toolbar. This icon is your gateway to adding new elements and features to your website. Clicking the plus icon will open a menu with a variety of options. From this menu, select the option labeled Embed and Social. This section is specifically designed to help you integrate external tools, social media widgets, and in this case, custom code into your website. Once you've selected Embed and Social, click on the Embed Code option. This is the feature we'll be using to directly insert your custom code. At this stage, it's a good idea to have the custom code you want to add prepared and ready to go. Whether it's a snippet of HTML for a form, JavaScript for interactive features, or CSS for styling, make sure that your code is fully written and tested beforehand. Having it ready will make this process smoother and ensure you avoid mistakes. Now, back in the Wix Studio editor, click on Enter Code. This will open up a text input box where you can paste your custom code. Go ahead and paste the code into this box. It's important to double-check your code at this point to confirm that everything is correct. Errors in your code can cause issues with your website's functionality, so take a moment to review it carefully. Once you've ensured the code is accurate and free of errors, click the Apply button. This step will save your changes and embed the code directly into your site. Now that the code has been added, it's time to preview your website. The preview mode allows you to see your site as it would appear to visitors, so it's a great way to verify that everything is working as intended. If you notice any issues during the preview, don't worry. Go back to the embedded code and double-check for any syntax errors or compatibility issues. Sometimes even a small typo can cause problems, so be thorough, make any necessary adjustments, and reapply the code. Finally, as a best practice, it's always a good idea to keep a backup of your website and the custom code you've added. This ensures that you can quickly restore your site to its previous state if anything goes wrong down the line. Backups are an essential part of maintaining a smooth and reliable website. And that's it. You've successfully added custom code to your Wix Studio website. By following these steps, you can expand your site's capabilities and provide a more dynamic experience for your visitors. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.